The gaming world is abuzz with anticipation as Nintendo prepares to launch its latest console, the Nintendo Switch 2. Building upon the groundbreaking success of its predecessor, the Switch 2 promises to deliver enhanced performance, innovative features, and a gaming experience that caters to both casual players and hardcore enthusiasts. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into every aspect of the Nintendo Switch 2, from its hardware specifications to its software capabilities, ensuring you're well informed about what this next-generation console has to offer. 1. Design and build. Sleek and modern aesthetics. The Nintendo Switch 2 boasts a refined design that maintains the hybrid nature of its predecessor while introducing subtle enhancements for improved ergonomics and aesthetics. The console features a slimmer profile, rounded edges, and a more robust build quality, ensuring durability during both handheld and dock play. Enhanced docking station. The redesigned docking station not only serves as a charging hub, but also includes additional USB ports, an Ethernet port for stable online connectivity, and improved ventilation to keep the console cool during intense gaming sessions. 2. Display and visual enhancements. Larger and brighter screen. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the Switch 2's 8-inch OLED display, which offers vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and improved contrast ratios. This enhancement ensures a more immersive gaming experience, whether you're playing in handheld mode or tabletop mode. Higher resolution and refresh rate. The console supports a resolution of up to 1080p in handheld mode and 4K when docked, thanks to advanced upscaling technologies. Additionally, a higher refresh rate ensures smoother gameplay, reducing motion blur and input lag. 3. Performance and hardware specifications. Powerful processing capabilities. Under the hood, the Nintendo Switch 2 is powered by a custom NVIDIA Tegra T239 SoC, built on a 5nm process. This chipset delivers significant performance improvements over the original Switch, enabling faster load times, enhanced graphics, and support for more demanding games. Increased memory and storage. The console comes equipped with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, facilitating seamless multitasking and smoother gameplay. Storage options include 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD express cards up to 2 TB, accommodating a vast library of digital games and media. 4. Joy-Con controllers and accessories. Innovative Joy-Con design. The Switch 2 introduces magnetically attached Joy-Con controllers with Hall effect joysticks, effectively addressing the notorious drift issues of the past. These controllers offer improved responsiveness and durability, enhancing the overall gaming experience. New accessories. Nintendo has unveiled a range of new accessories compatible with the Switch 2, including a GameCube-style controller priced at $64.99, a Pro controller with enhanced ergonomics, and a Joy-Con wheel designed for racing games like Mario Kart World. These accessories aim to cater to various gaming preferences and styles. 5. Backward compatibility and game library. Seamless transition for existing users. The Switch 2 offers backward compatibility with the vast majority of Nintendo Switch games, allowing players to carry over their existing libraries without hassle. This feature ensures that users can continue enjoying their favorite titles while exploring new offerings. Enhanced game performance. Many existing games receive performance boosts on the Switch 2, with improved frame rates, faster load times, and enhanced visuals, providing a refreshed experience for returning players. 6. Online services and connectivity. Nintendo Switch Online expansion. The Switch 2 continues to support Nintendo Switch Online, offering access to online multiplayer, cloud saves, and a growing library of classic games. The service has been expanded to include GameCube titles, with launch offerings such as The Legend of Zelda, The Wind Waker, F-Zero GX, and Soul Calibur 2. Advanced connectivity options. The console supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless connections, Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless pairing with wireless accessories, and an Ethernet port on the dock for reliable wired internet access. 7. Battery life and portability. Extended playtime. Equipped with a 5,220 mAh lithium-ion battery, the Switch 2 offers an estimated battery life ranging from 2 to 6.5 hours, depending on the game's demands. This improvement ensures longer gaming sessions without frequent recharging. Lightweight and portable. Despite its enhanced features, the Switch 2 remains lightweight and portable, making it an ideal companion for gaming on the go. The console's design prioritizes comfort during extended handheld play. 8. Pricing and availability. Competitive pricing. The Nintendo Switch 2 is priced at $449.99, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While this marks an increase from the original Switch's launch price, the enhancements justify the investment for dedicated gamers. Pre-order and release details. Pre-orders for the Switch 2 began on April 24, 2025, experiencing overwhelming demand and rapid sellouts at major retailers. Nintendo has implemented a pre-order invitation system through the My Nintendo store, with invitations being sent out starting May 8, 2025. The official release date is set for June 5, 2025. 9. Anticipated game titles. Launch lineup. The Switch 2 is expected to debut with a strong lineup of games, including Mario Kart 9, a highly anticipated installment in the beloved racing franchise. The Legend of Zelda, Echoes of the Past, a new adventure in the iconic series. Metroid Prime 4, the long-awaited continuation of the Metroid saga. Splatoon 3, a fresh take on the popular multiplayer shooter. Future releases. Nintendo has hinted at a robust pipeline of upcoming titles, ensuring a steady stream of content to keep players engaged and entertained. 10. Conclusion. The Nintendo Switch 2 represents a significant leap forward in gaming technology, offering enhanced performance, innovative features, and a commitment to user satisfaction. With its hybrid design, extensive game library, and focus on player experience, the Switch 2 is poised to continue Nintendo's legacy of delivering exceptional gaming consoles. As we approach the official release, excitement continues to build among the gaming community. Whether you're a longtime Nintendo fan or new to the platform, the Switch 2 promises to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience that caters to a wide range of preferences and playstyles. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as we get closer to the launch date. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Nintendo Switch 2.